Hi, I'm Harry Walker from Revolver, and today I'd like to show you one of our most popular products, the Ergo Mantis Tri-Bar Armrest. It's designed specifically for TT and triathlon for those wishing to adopt a Mantis or upright forearm position. We came up with this concept in 2017 and are now onto our 4th generation model, the XL. Before we get to how it's going to make you go faster, I'll quickly go over the construction. 100% carbon fibre, as you'd expect from Revolver. 4mm thick mounting base. Very large flat mounting area with plenty of range for whatever system you have. If it doesn't fit your system perfectly, one of the holes on each rest will. If you need to drill another hole or alter one of these holes to get a second fixing, that's no problem because the base is so thick. As the base goes up the side and up the rear of the upstand, it tapers down to just below 2mm on the perimeter. This still remains really stiff structurally because, as you can see, the side upstand forms around a 90-degree angle with the rear, which are both at around below 90 degrees with the base. A very strong structure that can't be bent, twisted, flexed. It will not crack, it will not snap. One of the best quality armrests on the market. Right, so now to the good bit. How is it going to make you go faster? Key benefits are, let's start with comfort. Bigger surface area, distributing the weight all around the armrest. Best demonstrated by showing you a pad in its flat form. You can see how large this is. This folds three-dimensionally into the shape of the armrest neatly with a little nip and tuck in the corner, and that's the end result. 10mm thick. Because of the rear upstand, flowing nicely, an ergonomic design, took a lot of time to get this right. Harder than it looks. Elbows are a funny shape. But because of that, it cradles the elbow completely. Maximum comfort. All of the body weight is put through the upper arm directly onto the cradled elbow, as opposed to an armrest being somewhere around here, not taking up so much body weight. Because it's so comfortable, means you're more likely to stay in your aero position or want to stay into it for longer. So you're more aero because you're comfortable. Next benefit is control. This full elbow contact, additional contact around the back, pocketed, gives you much more control. Even with a very, very relaxed grip, you can maintain almost full control. So if you're riding along and you hit a pothole, or suddenly hit a rough stretch of road, or fatigue sets in and your grip loosens, you're not going to bounce out of the side or bounce off the back. Now, bouncing off the back, if you've never ridden a Mantis position where your hands are angled upwards, that is more of a possibility than riding in a horizontal position. Something to consider, and this will definitely prevent it. Okay, so safer. Next thing, which has never been looked at before, is harnessing a little bit extra power. Traditional armrest, sitting on the forearm, it's basically skin, muscle, bone moving around. You can't avoid doing this. Happens every pedal revolution on a minute level. This stops that happening altogether, totally eliminates it, which is extra power that's going into your pedal motion. Okay. You can also brace against the back of the armrest when riding up drags or over tougher stretches of terrain, because you can engage your core more efficiently. Much better power delivery on hard sections because of the Ergo Mantis design. Okay. Now, aero. It keeps you in your dialed in aero position. Now, you've probably spent a lot of money on a bike fit or components to get that super aero position, but quite easy to stray out of that position with lack of concentration, or again if fatigue sets in, especially over longer distances like Ironman or middle distance. Once you're in these, you're going nowhere in terms of a positional change. You're locked in, you're not going to slide down the bars, try and get comfortable, because you already are comfortable, and that's going to maintain maximum aerodynamics, which is a huge plus. It's going to save you a lot of time. Okay, so to recap, we've got more comfort. More comfort means maintaining aerodynamics, reducing fatigue or delaying the onset of fatigue. Control means it's safer. When fatigue does start setting in longer events or hitting sudden rough patches of road, potholes, etc., you're not going to bounce out front, side or back of the Ergo Mantis. A little bit more extra power. I'm not going to make any claims about how much power, because it's going to depend on road surface and your particular riding position, but anything saved is a saving. Keeps you aero, so that is where you're going to make the biggest gain. Not being able to come out of your most aero position. You can read a bit more about the Ergo Mantis if you visit our website on www.revolverwheels.co.uk, where you may find other products which might be of use. We make a wide range of products, from positional stuff like this to wheels, as you can see behind. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe.